Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use moringa in food. Moringa is a superfood packed with vitamins and minerals, making it a fantastic addition to your diet. You can easily incorporate its powdered form into various meals without much effort. We'll cover simple methods to enjoy its benefits daily. Just remember, a little goes a long way to start, so begin with small quantities to get accustomed to its unique taste. One of the easiest ways to use moringa is by blending it into your favorite smoothies. Just add 1 to 2 teaspoons to your blender along with fruits, vegetables, and liquid. It mixes seamlessly, giving your drink a nutritional boost without overpowering the taste. You can also stir it into a glass of juice or a green drink for a quick and healthy pick-me-up. It's a simple step for a big health impact. Moringa isn't just for drinks, it's also great in cooked dishes. Try stirring 1 teaspoon into your soups, stews, or curries during the last few minutes of cooking. This helps preserve its nutrients. You can also sprinkle it over roasted vegetables or mix it into homemade salad dressings for an extra layer of flavor and nutrition. It's a versatile ingredient that enhances many savory recipes with ease. For daily use, consider mixing 1/2 to 1 teaspoon of moringa powder into your morning yogurt or oatmeal. It's a simple way to start your day with a nutrient boost. You can also incorporate it into homemade energy balls or protein bars for a healthy snack. Remember to check the description for links to products mentioned and other great deals. It's all about finding what works best for your lifestyle to consistently enjoy the benefits of this amazing plant. Make it a regular part of your routine.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.